Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and I'm here with my cat Waffle, and we wanted to tell you about one of our favorite cat foods, Wellness Core's Tiny Tasters. So Tiny Tasters come in 2 different flavors. There's the chicken and turkey recipe, and then they have the chicken recipe, which is probably both of my cat's favorite. It also is in a pouch instead of a can, which I like because it's really easy to tear open. And once you have the pouch open, the pate comes out really easily. There's no need for a spoon to scrape it out. There's absolutely no waste, and it's perfect for impatient cats like mine who don't like to wait to eat. And I really like the portion sizes of these pouches. With other foods, we tend to have leftovers and it just gets wasted. But with these pouches, it's the perfect amount for each cat and there's no waste. So if you're looking for a wet cat food for your adult cat, Waffle and I both highly suggest Wellness Core's Tiny Tasters. But that's just our point of view.